Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to be making a snack or a breakfast, whatever you want to call it. It's a carrot and banana pancake. This is really easy to make and is very delicious. I've not added any extra sugar in this. We'll just rely on the banana and carrot for the sweetness, and you can just top it with some honey in the end and the pancake will be ready to be served. So the ingredients list required for this dish is given below. Do check it out. And I've got loads of breakfast kid snack recipes on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So let's jump right in. So first we're going to make the batter. So I've got all the ingredients ready in here. I've taken a bowl into which I'm going to add one by one the ingredients. So we'll start with the egg and then we'll just beat it nicely. Once that's done, we'll add the ingredients one by one into this. So next we're going to add in the grated carrot, followed by the mashed banana. I've used a small variety of banana here. Then goes in some melted butter. Then I'm going to add some baking soda. A little bit of vanilla essence. This is just because we have added the egg and I don't want the eggy smell. Mix everything together. Once this is done, we'll add in the all-purpose flour. You can substitute this with wheat flour as well. So I'm going to mix everything together and get the batter done. You can also add a little bit of salt if you wish to. So I've got all the ingredients mixed up in here. But as you can see, it's a little lumpy. So to make it a little batter-like consistency, you can add a little bit of milk to this. Adjust the quantity of the milk according to your batter's consistency. So I'm going to mix in the milk. And mix everything in until it is pouring consistency, just like a pancake batter. So now this is nice and ready. So let's make the pancake. So I've not added any sugar in here or honey. You can add it at this stage or you can just cook it and then later add the honey on top. So I've taken a pan, put it on medium-high flame. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to pour in the batter. I'm making small pancakes here. You can make big ones as well. Now we'll let it cook from one side, flip and cook it from the other side as well. So once it's done from the bottom, you can see some holes appearing here. That means it's time to flip the pancake. So I'm just going to flip it, cook it from the other side for 2 seconds, and the pancake is ready to be served. So once you're ready to serve it, you can just pour some honey on top like this, or you can use some Nutella or chocolate syrup, and the pancakes are ready to be served. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section.